The first situation, you want to do something with your bike on a bike stand and your handlebars are always moving to the left, to the right. You cannot replace the bar tape, you cannot replace your housings. This is annoying, but you can fix it easily. Of course, it is very good to see whether your bike is being mounted vertically on your bike stand, which is not always possible. And for that, we're going to use very advanced tool, simple rubber band. And here is how we solve the problem. Find the air valve on your front wheel and hook the rubber. The other end of your rubber band can be hooked just by your bottle cage. If you don't use the bottle cage, you can use the bolts if they stand out. But if they don't, then you can simply set the crankset so that the pedal will be at the closest position to your front wheel, and then you can hook the rubber by the pedal axle. Just be aware that you're not gonna be able to spin the cranks. But if you're just running around the house panically searching for a rubber band, good news for you guys. You can use simple lace or twine. The problem number 2, you want to remove your rear derailleur in order to clean it after many winter muddy rides. Do you always remove your chain by using the quick link in order to remove your rear mech? It's not necessary. Remember also that most manufacturers will not recommend reusing the quick link on the narrow and super narrow chains. How will we manage this problem? We're gonna remove the inner plate of your rear mech cage and the rear mech will be free to go. First, it's a good idea to remove the chain from the chainring on your crankset if it's a 1x drivetrain. If you have 2 or 3 chainrings here at the front, just change the gear into the smallest one. If you remove the rear wheel, you're gonna have very easy access to the bolts. I'm not removing the wheel even. Simple. The chain will stay, the mech will go. And it's a good idea to clean this one. Please note that these bolts, which are assembling the pulleys to the derailleur, have some thread lock on the thread, so it's a good idea to use one when you assemble the rear derailleur. Problem number 3, you need to remove your chain, you need to break it, and you don't have a special tool for that, which works like this. Super easy. I'm gonna show you 2 methods of doing it without buying one. The first method, that's the safer one, and I recommend that you start with this one. It's simple lace. Make sure you do guide this lace in the right way, so just around your quick link. And now, bravo! The second method, the pliers. Ta-da! And then remember that putting it all back together is the easiest when this quick link is now below your chain stays, and you only need to connect your quick link, and in order for it to click into place, you want to have it up here and simply push the pedals when the bike is on the ground. The fourth situation. You want to through the wheel, and the question is, how do you know how much does your rim or the tire move to the right or to the left? Use the zip ties. Now you will know exactly how your rim moves to the right and to the left. You can also use same zip tie on the other side. The fifth and the last problem. How often do you think while adjusting your V-brakes or cantilever brakes, how nice it would be for somebody to come and hold those brakes, those calipers or those arms for you? It's super easy to do. Just use your barrel adjuster, but doing it so you can make your braking pads touch the rim, and then it will be very easy for you to adjust the brakes. When the brakes are adjusted, the pads are aligned to the rim, you can now screw those barrel adjusters in. So these were the 5 hacks that will save you tons of time and money. There is a huge tutorial about servicing your whole bike. The link is in the description. See you guys. Bye bye. The other end of your rubber band can be hooked. Ooh, shooty booty.